So I wanted to give you a demonstration of my voice recorder. I've got it right here around my neck. It's on. And I'm videotaping without any type of microphone. And I'm gonna drop the audio from this recording onto this video to give you a demo of the quality.
This is the Howabo 128 gigabyte digital voice recorder. It's a tool I rely on to capture my home energy audit notes. I love the sleek, metallic case. It feels solid and professional in my hand, lightweight enough to slip into a pocket or even attach it to a lanyard around my neck. With one slide of the switch, it starts recording instantly, and it's automatically saving files with date and timestamps so I can keep my notes organized. The noise reduction chip records up to 1,536 kilobits per second, so it keeps my notes clear even in noisy spaces like busy households. When I'm done, I just plug it into my computer. It shows up like a regular USB drive, and my files are right there in MP3 format. They're ready to copy, share, or transcribe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to match up some of the video from my head cam to some of the notes that I take on my recorder so you can hear the quality. Okay, so I've got loose fill fiberglass. And the house was built in 2000. So as I would expect, there's a fairly healthy amount of insulation in here. And it does look like it's been walked on a few times. So far, I've been super happy with this product. It's nice to turn it on, do my work, get back to my office, and know that my information is stored and ready for me to use.